Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys. So people know me as Nur Shamimi binti Rahman, and I'm student of 8223 Bachelor Science of Agribusiness. So today's video is, as you can see from the title below, it is 3 minutes talk about importance of quality. Oh yeah, before that, let's get started with intro music. Before we go further, I just want to have just a short introduction session regarding this topic. Let's moving on with the definition of quality. Quality is the ability of a product or services to meet customer needs, which means the operation manager objective is to build a total of quality management system that identify and satisfy customer needs. Also, the American Society Quality define quality as the totality of feature and characteristic of product or services that bears on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. So moving on to the importance quality. So what is the importance of quality? Basically, there are three importance of quality, which is company reputation, product liability, and global implication. Let's look into the first one. Company reputation is an organization can expect its reputation for quality can be good or bad, and to follow it. Quality will show up in perception about the firm's new product, employment practices, and supplier relation. For your information, self-promotion is not a substitute for quality product. The second importance of quality is product liability. The courts increasingly hold organizations that design, produce, or distribute faulty product or service liable for damage or injuries resulting from their use. The Consumer Product Safety Act, for example, establishes and enforces product requirements by prohibiting goods that do not meet certain standards. Food that is contaminated and causes sickness, night gowns that burns, tires that blow up, and car fuel tanks that burst on impact can all result in significant legal costs and negative publicity. Lastly is global implication. In today's technological era, consistency is a global concern. Both a company's profitability and a country's balance of payments suffer as they compete successfully in the global economy. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for spending your time and lending your ear to watch and hear my talk. Thank you.